Hello, welcome to our tutorial of EXModel Pro. So now we are going to learn some new features about this function. So as you can see, I have already aligned the data to the coordinates. It's pretty well aligned, and we can move to the 2D sketch function here. And we can create a cutting plane and then drag it to some middle center location, and using the OXZ plane to cut the model to give us a 2D pattern. We can also manually set the offset value inside the blank, as you can see on the left side. Great. And now I'm gonna hold the shift button on my keyboard and draw and fit the line. See the top line and the left side line as well. So I have created two straight lines, and I can click the edge on the line, the edge point, to extend the line a little bit. Both extended. And then right click at the screen to select the tangent arc to create the angle, the line connection, and then set the radius around I would say 9.5. Okay, then you can see I created the full line including the curve. So you can always manually adjust the radius range by entering the number by yourself. So you can see how much it compares to the baseline. Okay. And then we turn off the coordinate system. And see the line I created. We can extrude directly by one click on the line. We can also move to the top, click the extruded surface function. Then you can see I turn on, make the meshes visible, and we got like a top plane and the bottom plane. You can see this curved surface attached to the original mesh model. And if we turn on the compare, you can see the deviation data. We can also manually set the tolerance number inside the blanks. I will give it 0.05, and you can see the maximum and the minimum range. Close. And right click, we can edit the extruded surface. So here we can enter the draft degree in case we need to make sure this surface can attach to the mesh model very closely. And you can see we can also give it a degree to adjust the matchingness, and we can also inverse the degree in case we got a different angle of the surface. So it's the draft extruded. We can also snapping, turn on the snapping function to see the attachment of the surface to the real model. You can also drag, and you can see the color map dynamically change during the movement of my mouse. Pretty flexible. So yes. We can also like change the location of both planes. Here you can see the surface created, Thank you.